30. Share trade bots for beginners. A step-by-step guide to making money. Are you sick of working from 9 to 5 and looking for a way to make extra money? You've come to the right place. We'll show you how to use share trade bots to make consistent profits on the stock market. But before we start, it's important to remind you that this is not investment advice and that you should always research before making any financial decisions. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take charge of your financial future. Trust us, you will want to take every step in this video. So watch the video. By the end, you will know how to use share trade bots to make $100 daily. What share trade bots? Crypto trading bots are automated tools that assist you as a crypto trader, trade and making transactions using some technical indicators. You can set up your crypto trading bot to carry out trade orders for you based on certain instructions. There are a lot of great options on the market. So let's look at the best AI stock trading bots. MetaTrader 5. After the success of MetaTrader 4 for trading in foreign exchange, MetaTrader 5 can handle more asset classes, such as stocks. You can sign up for signals from successful traders or use one of the thousands of third-party pay-for-service trading robots listed on the site. These robots have nothing to do with MetaTrader 5 or its parent company. Since MetaTrader 5 is free to download and use, these outside traders and robots are probably how it makes money. KYC requirements for a MetaTrader 5 bot would vary depending on the broker you are using. Generally, brokers will require you to provide personal information such as your name, address, and government-issued ID for identity verification purposes. This is to prevent scams and money laundering. TrendSpider is capable of highly sophisticated automated technical analysis thanks to its proprietary machine learning algorithm and stock market platform. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. TrendSpider, the stock analysis software, is for everyone, from day traders to general investors. TrendSpider's algorithm searches through historical market data to find trends in the Forex market. After finding these trends, it sends them to human traders, who use the information to make effective and profitable trades. Trading bots lets you set up an event automatically when certain conditions from your strategy are met. This means a trading bot could be made to post to a private Discord server or trigger an order routing system to make trades in a brokerage or exchange account. However, as traders use TrendSpider to make investment decisions, users should be aware that different brokers and trading platforms may have different KYC requirements to open and maintain a trading account, which must be met before using the software to trade. To help you maintain your position as a market leader, Swing Trade Bot monitors your stocks and constantly monitors the market for any technical shifts. Swing Trade Bot. Michael Seniadza, who went to Stanford University, made Swing Trade Bot in 2013. Its goal is to help you stay on top of the market by keeping an eye on your stocks, scanning the market for technical changes, and letting you know when it's time to act. Stock screeners help you find stocks that fit your trading style and help you find stocks that are overbought or oversold, as well as stocks that have broken out or pulled back. As for the KYC requirements of Swing Trade Bot, it depends on the broker or trading platform that you're using. Most reputable brokers will require you to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and government-issued ID, as well as proof of residence. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. How share trade bots work. Traders use stock market bots to make trades for them automatically. They aren't meant to replace human traders, but they help them by doing some of their work for them and making trading go faster. A bot is a program that can be set up to do certain tasks independently without help from a person. A trading bot is an automated system that uses machine learning algorithms to trade stocks on behalf of a person or company with limited time or money. Bots are often used for different things, like helping with customer service and keeping track of stock prices. These bots have both pros and cons. Advantages of trading bots. Asterisk, there is much information on cryptocurrencies, and to cover so much information, You would have to be at the computer all the time. You only need to spend one day with a bot setting it up. After that, you must watch how profitable trading is and change the algorithm. Asterisk for traders who have little experience. It can serve as a guide to different trading strategies. We watch what he does and learn something new. Disadvantages of trading bots. Asterisk it doesn't know what to do when there's an emergency. We talked about something similar already. If you look at things correctly, strange situations can be both good and bad. Asterisk unstable code in the program. Bots can sometimes get stuck, slow down, crash, etc. This can happen to anyone, so the trader needs to keep an eye on how the bot is doing. Asterisk how likely is it to use a fake bot? Yes, you can find some on the internet. They can steal personal information, transfer money to hackers' wallets, and do many other illegal things. Next is a step-by-step guide to using share trade bots to make $100 daily. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. A step-by-step guide to making $100 a day with share trade bots. We'll show you what to look for in a broker, how to pick security, build your strategy, and make your first trade. Step 1. Find a brokerage. If you want to trade successfully with only $100, you and your broker must meet certain conditions. Charges. It would be better if your broker charged you based on spread rather than commission. Usually, there is a minimum charge for commission-based models. When you trade small amounts in a commission-based model, that minimum charge will be applied to every trade. Minimum deposit. Your broker should ask for $100 or less as a minimum deposit. Otherwise, you can only deposit $100. Leverage and margin. If you only have $100 to trade, day trading price ticks won't give you enough money to live on. Step 2. Choose securities. If you are trading small amounts of money, try to make bigger gains, or your account will grow very slowly. Securities with higher volatility can give you bigger gains, since the currency market is the largest in the world. There is a lot of trading, making it very volatile. Because of this, currency pairs can be traded with a small amount of money. Step 3. Determine strategy. With such a small amount of money to trade, your strategy is very important to your success. It would help if you thought about when to trade, how much you'd put into each trade, when you'll enter a trade, how you'll manage your risk, and when you'll get out of a trade. Step 4. Start trading. Create an account next. Go to the broker's official website and choose the type of account. Remember, you are looking for an account that lets you trade with only $100 on margin. You'll have to give personal information like your email address, mailing address, and phone number. You'll also get an email to confirm. You'll need to send proof of your identity, which is standard procedure. You may also need to send proof of your income, but this isn't likely to happen if you only want to add $100 to your account. After you've confirmed your account, you'll need to put money in it so you can trade. Use a preferred method of payment to do this. Download your broker's trading platform and sign it. Make sure that the leverage is set to the level you want. You could start trading with just $100 if your broker lets you, but it will only work if you carefully plan your strategy. Because of this, you should support the idea of trading with only $100 by doing a lot of research, calculating your strategic outcomes carefully, and following strict rules for risk management. We hope you found this video informative and that it has sparked your interest in the world of cryptocurrency. We invite you to check out more of our content and other financial tips on our channel. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis in the exciting world of crypto. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all the latest crypto news and analysis.